Police fired tear gas and used batons on Friday in India-held Kashmir to break up a protest against the killing of a Hindu allegedly by anti-India fighters. Clashes are frequent in the occupied territory, but the police operation was the first in the Muslim-majority region against the local Hindu population, known as Pandits. According to police, 2 gunmen shot and killed Rahil Bhatt, a government employee, inside an office complex in Budgam where he worked. Later police put the blame on Kashmiri fighters resisting Indian rule in the valley. If this kind of killing can happen inside a government office, what security is Modi's government talking about for us? One angry protester said. Many political leaders, including Muslims, issued statements condemning the barbaric killing of Bhatt. Bhatt lived in a protected rehabilitation settlement for thousands of Pandits given government jobs in recent years under a plan to help resettle some of those who fled.